So hi guys, today I guess you have seen that Bank Nifty had eventually gone for a gap filling. I had already told you in the morning that Bank Nifty can go for a gap filling and it did, but I didn't expect this because the market scenario was extremely positive. As you can see, why am I saying this? Bank Nifty had gone up from here, and once it had gone up, okay, it had even crossed the previous swing over here, and yesterday it had closed somewhere at around this level. Today it didn't open with a huge gap. Sorry, this is Nifty, by the way. The Bank Nifty chart is also will almost be the same as Nifty's. Nifty opened with a huge gap up, but Bank Nifty, on the other hand, Bank Nifty did not open with a huge gap up. It opened with a slight gap up, you can say, of 0.4%. And I had told you that you can take the morning trade if it's opening with 0.4% over here, and you can take it till this point over here. Obviously, you can see the demand and supply zone and a really strong resistance over here, which Bank Nifty has taken. All right. Coming on to tomorrow's analysis, Nifty. Okay, let's start with Nifty first. From a 5 minute time frame, we are going to go to the hourly time frame right now. So in Nifty, if I show you from the hourly time frame, you can see this pattern over here, and every time it's going up, Nifty tends to come down. It's showing an inherent weakness. Easy level for tomorrow would be 15,893, which is really unlikely for Nifty to close above. But if it opens somewhere at around this point and it sustains, then I would be going long in Nifty. First target would be 15,839. Okay, now if it opens with a huge gap up, don't go for a buy. Just seeing that it's a huge gap up and every market is bullish, because today you have seen the market was bullish. Huge gap up, it went up for how many points is this, 800 to, yeah, almost 100 points it went up, and then straight down, okay, wherever it started. So don't expect that it can go up and not come down. Obviously a profit booking is coming because we are seeing this pattern. It's not like the pre-COVID times when market had gone up and up. So yeah, now coming on to the gap down. If it gaps down and if it closes somewhere at around this point, which is 15,729, then I would be going for a short, keeping in mind there's one more support which it needs to pass, 15,703. Okay, and then straight you can get a really clean move to 15,614 in Nifty. Coming on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, we have had a lot of drama today in Bank Nifty, and I can tell you that many people's stop loss over here would have gotten triggered in the short trade, and after taking the stop loss it would have gone down. So previously also I had mentioned that if you are going short or long in Bank Nifty, okay, and even if it's a very important level, for example, even if you have gone short at this level, if you didn't trail your SL over here after it had hit your target at this point, then obviously you would end up in a loss. It would hit your SL, it would come up, hit your SL, and then go down. So it's better to trail your SL, or if you have the risk capacity of taking a loss till here, then you can keep your SL till here, because the market structure was downwards, but still no one would have even thought that Bank Nifty would have gone down today this much, and Nifty was really close to its all-time high, which is 15,894, and I'm repeating this level again because this level is a really important level to watch out. We want Nifty to go to 16,000 really soon, but really doubtful that it will happen in this expiry itself. Okay, so yeah, Bank Nifty, important level. It opens with a gap up. Okay, seeing the volume, and I have already mentioned in the previous video how to check the volume. If it gaps up this till here, this point, okay, you can take the call option, first target would be really small, but check the price action, and then your second target would be this point, which is 34,955 exact. Okay, this is a really strong support. And why am I saying this is a really strong support? Because you can see market has respected this support for quite some time. Even behind, the market has respected 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, once it had broken out, it gave a bull run. Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this support is a really strong support for Bank Nifty. Okay, and the others which I have marked as well, which you can see over here, 34,045 and 35,000, sorry, 35,045 and 35,088. These are the strong levels to watch out. Okay, and this is the strongest level by far. If it comes up to this point, or if Bank Nifty opens with a gap up, okay, and if it comes up to this point and it's making a red candle over here, then you can take a short trade over here, and you can put your SL, a small SL, right above this point or this point accordingly, because due to the market volatility, it might hit your SL, like today it happened with many traders and it went down. So that's the main thing which you have to keep in mind while trading in Bank Nifty. You have to take a 70-point SL, and you have to trade with minimum amount of lots, and go for maximum amount of points. Okay, and don't make a huge loss, guys, because if you have made a huge loss, then it would be really difficult to cover the huge loss with the without the leverage or the margin benefit, as we are not getting any. So coming on to the Fibonacci, if I take the swing low and the swing high over here, according to the Fibonacci retracement, you can see Bank Nifty is at a very crucial level of 34,994. Okay, it has taken the support and it's sustaining above this point. So tomorrow, if it's sustained above this point, then we can go long, as I have mentioned. But if it closes below this point, okay, it opens with a gap down, then you can directly get a target, easy target. This would be your first target which you should aim for. But partial booking, you can do it at 34,525. okay, 100 points, 180 points is more than enough for the morning. Then you trail it, and if the market gives a better move till 34,434, obviously you should definitely take it if the market is giving you. Again, we always decide our stop loss, how much stop loss we are willing to give to the market, and the market decides our target. Okay, so I hope that you have liked the analysis. So definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I share my analysis every single day in Bank Nifty. And yeah, make sure to join in the Telegram group, because I also share my real-time analysis, and in case I take any position also, I mention it in the group. And I don't take the position with huge lots. And this is what you should also follow. You should also take 1 to 2 lots max, because you can get a good profit with 1 to 2 lots. Also, if you cover 2 to 300 points, that's 5,000 to 7,500 profit on an intraday basis, which is really good, I believe. Okay, so I'll meet you tomorrow, guys. Take care, bye.